principle of mentalism. The all is mind. The universe is a mental creation. The principle of correspondence, as within, so without, as above, so below. Meaning what? You reap what you sow. Yeah? Reaping and sowing is fact. Vibration. Everything is moving. Nothing stands still. It's either moving real fast, you can't see it, or it's moving real slow and you can see it. Polarity. The stage from whatever it is to the becoming of it. So from seed to fruit. Yes? Polarity. Because some people think polarity means duality. There is no duality. There's no duality. What do you mean there's no duality, Angela? The mango seed only becomes the mango fruit. Is that two things or one? Just one. One thing becoming what it only can become. That is fact. From polarity, we have rhythm, ebb and flow. In and out, back and forth, yeah? In a pattern, a rhythm, if you will. Rhythm is a dancer, it's the source of magic. People feel it everywhere. You know, rhythm. A pattern. You see, sometimes we think rhythm as in music, but that is only one way that rhythm is expressed. But there is rhythm. Rhythm is fact. And then we have cause and effect. Scientists say for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Cause and effect. What? Every cause has its effect. Equal, right? But then opposite. Every effect has its cause. Not opposite as in different, opposite as in just direction. Meaning you can use heat to create electricity, but you can use electricity to create heat. Because they're the same. They are the same, which is fact. And from cause and effect, we get gender. Gender as in generation, as in masculine and feminine, not male and female. To generate an idea, to come up with it. You go, I wonder what it would be like to. That is masculine because it's just an idea. It's still unseen by the world, still uninteracted with physically. So it is masculine. But you've got to give it body now. You got to embody it. Meaning you got to get it out from the invisible and make it visible, which now is feminine. Feminine equals form.